So good morning students, welcome to online physics class. Last class we have to discuss about some numericals in the nuclear chapter. So today we will discuss about remaining numericals. The first numerical, calculate the energy released. Calculate the energy released in kilowatt hour when 0.2 kg of 92 uranium 235 undergoes fission completely. Assume that the average energy released per fission of 92 uranium 235 nucleus is 200 mega electron volt. So ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ? Calculate the energy released in kilowatt hour. So how much of energy released during a fission that we have calculated. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ nucleus ಬಂದು 92 uranium 235 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So let us assume that 92 uranium 235 is 200 mega electron volt. So let us write down what are the given things. The given mass of 92 uranium 235 is 0.2 kg. To convert the grams, grams के convert ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 200 grams. So and also the given energy is equals to 200 mega electron volt. So simplify that. 200 mega means 10 to the power of 6. Electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Simplify that. 200 into 1.6, that is 320 into 10 to the power of minus 19 minus 6, that is minus 13. We write it like this. 320 into 10 to the power of minus 13 ನಾನು ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ 3.20 into 10 to the power of minus 11 joules. This is the energy. Next, according to the Avogadro hypothesis, so that is 235 gram of uranium 235 contains is equals to what is the value of Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Next, so what is the energy mass of the uranium? So this is the uranium 235 contains is equals to Avogadro number. So already they are given 92 uranium mass is 0.2 kg. We converts the grams means 200 grams. So in 200 grams of uranium, how many atoms is present? Let us calculate. So 200 gram of uranium 235 contains N equals 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 into 200 grams divided by what is the mass number of uranium 235. So how many atoms present in? So simplify that. So 6.023 into 200 divided by 235, that is 5.125 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms present. This much of atoms present in 200 grams of uranium 235. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು, how many atoms present in uranium 235, and again we calculate the energy. So 200 mega electron volts, that is we got 3.20 into 10 to the power of minus 11. So next ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, the energy in kilowatt hour, the total energy released total energy released uranium 235 in 200 grams. So how many atoms present? That is 5.125 into 10 to the power of 23 into how much of energy we calculated, 3.20 into 10 to the power of minus 11. So that is 1.64 into 10 to the power of 13 joules. This much of energy is released in uranium 235. Next, to convert the energy in kilowatt hour, that means 1.64 into 10 to the power of 13 divided by 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6. So that is equals to 0.455 into 10 to the power of 7 kilowatt hour. So we write it like this, 4.55 into 10 to the power of 6 kilowatt hour. This much of energy released in uranium 235. So this is the answer for this numerical. So first numerical ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, calculate the energy released in kilowatt hour when 0.2 kg of uranium undergo fission. So let us assume the energy is 200 mega electron volt. So what are the given things here? First, mass of the uranium is 0.2 kg, that we converts grams. 0.2 kg means 200 grams. Next, let us assume 92 uranium is of the energy is 200 mega electron volts. You know that what is the mega, what is the electron? So 200 into 10 to the power of 6 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 11. So the energy in 200 mega electron volts, that is 3.20 into 10 to the power of minus 11 joules. Next, based on that data we calculated. So by using the, already you know that how many atoms present in 200 grams of uranium. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅವೊಗೇಡ್ರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 200 in 200 grams the atoms present in uranium means what are how many atoms, 5.125 at into 10 to the power of 23 atoms present in 200 grams of uranium. Next we calculated the energy released, how much of energy is released in 200 grams of uranium, that is 5.2125 into 10 to the power of 23 into 3 point into energy. This much of 1.64 we got that much of energy is released in 200 grams of uranium. Next, that in joules, that energy in joules we converts kilowatt hour, that is so convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ divided by 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ kilowatt hour ಗೆ convert ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is the answer for this numerical. Next, don't worry, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು PDF ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. Next, write down the next numerical. Calculate and compare the energy released by first one A, fusion of 1 kg of hydrogen, deep within the sun, and next question B, the fission of 1 kg of uranium 235 in a fission reactor. So here what we calculated means calculate and compare energy released by two cases ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. One first case, fusion of 1 kg of hydrogen deep within sun, and second case, fusion of 1 kg of uranium in a fission reactor. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and again so ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು both cases ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So here hydrogen nucleus fused to form a helium. Hydrogen nucleus fused with sun to form helium nucleus. So first case ಅಲ್ಲಿ fusion of 1 kg of hydrogen deep within sun. So means hydrogen ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವುದರ ಜೊತೆ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, sun, to form another nucleus. What are that another nuclei? That is helium nucleus. Okay. So next here energy released by fusion of 1 kg, energy released fusion, how much of hydrogen, 1 kg of hydrogen 1 kg of hydrogen is, so that is we consider E1 equals 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. 1 kg means 10 to the power of 3 plus 3 divided by what is the helium? Helium is 2 helium 4. Here atomic number is 2, mass number is 4. Here what is the mass of helium? 4. So So finally we got so that is 26 and again 26 mega electron volt of energy is released during the fusion reaction. When the hydrogen fuse with sun, we to form a helium nucleus with energy that is 26 mega electron volt. So ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಸನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎ ಹೀಲಿಯಂ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ with energy that is 26 mega electron volt. Here we calculated energy released of fusion of 1 kg of hydrogen. So that is E1 equals 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. So how much of 1 kg means 10 to the power of 3 into 26 mega electron volt of energy by mass number is 4. So finally we got 39.14 into 10 to the power of 26 mega electron volt. So that is 6.023 into 10 to the power into 26 divided by 4. So we got 39.14 into what are the 10 to the power of 23 is there. Here 10 to the power of 3 is there. Means 23 plus 3, 26 mega electron volt. This is the energy of first case. Next, second case is there. The fusion of 1 kg of uranium in a fusion reactor. So here we so E2 equals 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. How much of mass? 1 kg mass into 10 to the power of 3. So what is the energy? 200 mega electron volt. So what is the mass of uranium? That is 235. Simplify that. 6.023 into 200 divided by 235. So that is 5.12 into 10 to the power of 26 mega electron volt. This much of energy is released 1 kg of uranium in fusion reactor. Clear? So finally we got the E1 and E2. Next, based on the question, we compare that both cases na compare ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So that is E1 by E2. E1 by E2 is equals to what is the E1 value? E1 is 39.14 into 10 to the power of 26 divided by 5.12 into 10 to the power of 26. So 26 get cancelled. 39.14 divided by 5.12. 39.14 divided by 5.12. So that is 7.65. This is the energy released in fusion of 7.65 times energy released in fusion. This much of energy is released. So first ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು? First we have a two cases. The first case is 1 kg of hydrogen is fusion with the sun. In second case 1 kg of uranium fission in nuclear reactor. So that is, so first based on that question, first we calculated the energy in both cases and again we compared. So first energy we calculated, again E1 E2 na compare ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು energy release ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So clear? So this is the answer for this numerical. Next, write down the next numerical. Write the nuclear reaction. Write the nuclear reaction equations. Write the nuclear reaction equations for so let us discuss one by one. So first reaction, alpha decay of 88 radium 226 88 radium 226. So ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ, ರೈಟ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 88 radium 226. So you know the alpha decay. What is the alpha decay means? Already we discussed in the previous theory sessions. Alpha decay is, so the one nucleus to convert the another nuclei by emitting alpha particle. So by emitting the alpha particle, the one nucleus to convert the another nuclei by emitting alpha particle, thus that process is called as alpha disintegration, alpha decay anta ಕರೀತೀವಿ. So already we discussed in the theory sessions. So here ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, so please mute your audio and videos. So first question, alpha decay of 88 radium 226. First, you know the definition of alpha decay. So what is that? One nuclei to form another nuclei by emitting the alpha particle, that process is called as alpha decay. So in the first nuclei ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 88 radium 226 to form 86 radon 222 plus alpha particle, that is helium 2 helium 4. This is the alpha particle.